Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our new pasture. We've got to plant some grass for our cows. We're going to be expanding. I have rented a 11-acre field, but I only have a 1-acre tractor. So the tractor's going to get a pretty good workout. So I hooked up the subsoiler in the last couple of days during lunch and after work and before bedtime. I've been ripping this top section up here, the flat. This is where we're going to start planting our grass. And it's pretty compacted, as you can see right here. Some of it kind of bust up in chunks, but you can look, as you look down in the where it ripped it out, you can see there's not a lot of plant matter down in there and not a lot of soil life. So what I'm trying to do is just loosen it up, because I want it to be loose before I plant my grass, because I can't tear it up once I get my seeds started. So I did this top section, and now I'm fixing to take we bought us a new disc, a Frontier TM 1164, and what I'm fixing to do is I'm fixing to start disking this up and try to cut up all these weeds and loosen up, bust up these chunks, and get it ready to plant. So the reason I bought a Frontier is because I have an iMatch quick hitch on my tractor, and it will, no adjustments needed, hook right up. You just have to adjust your top length to get it where you need it. Easy peasy. So I may have to adjust that this morning, because last night when I hooked up the disc, I did a few little passes right there on that terrace, and you can tell it's pretty hard around here. So that's what we're doing today.